we'll study about the cancer treatment by the nutraceuticals. Cancer basically is the abnormality in the division of the cell. The cells of cancer cells lack the contact inhibition, and it is a major public concern, as its cases has more than 15 million patients all over the world in 2020. Now, flavonoids can be used. For example, they're found in citrus fruit. Curcumin act helps in preventing the cancer to some extent. Lycopene is present in fruit, example papaya and vegetable. Vinca alkaloids like vincristine and blastin act on microtubule inhibition of microtubule formation in the cancerous cell. Therefore, it destroys the cancerous cell. Fifth is phytocarcinogens that is found in plum, pear, they are effective against the and preventing the breast cancer. Now, IBD is basically inflammatory bowel disease. It can be like ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. In ulcerative colitis, it affect the colon as well, but in Crohn's disease, affect the GIT tract. It is affected basically the large intestine, and symptoms in IBD and symptoms like gas, diarrhea, or can be constipation as well. Polyphenols are being used that it is present in food that immunize and activates the has an active role. It blocks the inflammatory mediator, and dietary fibers. It also helps in IBD treatment. It enhances the food and GIT mobility. Now the curcumin is also helps in preventing the colon inflammation, and prebiotics and probiotics are used to decrease the GIT inflammation.